Hello friends, let's solve question number 5. Prove that the ratio of areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding medians. So for this I have drawn two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle DEF. They told that the two triangles are similar. It means triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. So what needs to be proved? Required to prove area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF equals to, here the medians are AM and DN. It is equals to squares of the ratio of their medians. It means AM by DN whole square. This we have to prove. So first thing, what is a median? Median means any line drawn from the vertex of a triangle to the midpoint of its opposite side. Okay, from the vertex of a triangle to the midpoint of its opposite side. If M is the midpoint of BC, then we can write BM equals to MC. Correct? If N is the midpoint of EF, we can write EN equals to NF. Correct? Since here we can write this because M and N are midpoints of BC and EF. So here, now let's enter into the proof part. If these two triangles are similar, as per principle of similarity, we can write that their sides are proportional. So write the same thing here. AB by DE equals to BC by EF equals to CA by FD equals to CA by FD. Correct? Right? In brackets, since triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. So if the two triangles are similar, then their sides are proportional. So in the next step, what will I do? Here, I will take only these two relationship. Okay. Further in future also, I will take only these two relationship. Put this as equation 1. Okay. See, from the figure, we can write BC as BM plus MC. So, BC equals to BM plus MC. That is equals to, in the place of BM, can I write MC? Or in the place of MC, can I write BM? Anything is same because both are equal since M is the midpoint. So, here what do? In the place of MC, I am writing BM. Okay. BM plus BM, that is equals to 2BM. BC equals to 2BM. Either of it you can do, but here I am taking BM. Okay. Same in case of triangle DEF also. I am writing EF equals to EN plus NF. So in the place of NF, I am taking EN. I can take, right? En plus En, that is equals to 2En. So EF equals to 2En. Why did we take here in the place of NF I am taking En? Why? Because right here reasons, since M is midpoint of BC, that implies BM equals to MC. Just for explaining you, I have written it in the diagram, but this you have to be written in the exam also. Okay, right here also, since N is midpoint of EF, that implies En equals to NF. Clear? This is the reason. Write it in brackets, but here lack of space I am writing it down. Okay, due to lack of space I am writing it down. So in the next step, what do? Put the BC as equation 2 and EF as equation 3. So in the equation 1 we got BC and EF, no? Let us substitute equation 2 and equation 3 in equation 1. Let's write that. Substitute equation 2 and equation 3 in equation 1. Let's see what do we get. AB by DE equals to, in the place of BC, can I write 2BM? Yes. 2BM by, in the place of EF, I am writing 2EN. So this and this will be cancelled off. Therefore, AB by DE equals to BM by EN. Okay. So here AB by DE equals to BM by EN. Now let's draw the diagram here only again. Same diagram. See here, for understanding I have drawn the diagram here only. So AB by DE equals to BM by EN. And we know that if triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, it implies that their corresponding angles are equal. It means angle B is equals to angle E. Write the same thing here. Angle B equals to angle E, right? Since triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Okay? Clear here? Since the two triangles are similar, I have make equal this corresponding angles. So angle B equals to angle E. So if one angle in a triangle is equals to one angle in another triangle and their sides including this triangle are proportional and their sides including the angle. So with this angle these two sides here, with this angle these two sides, when you see if one angle in the triangle is equals to one angle in the other triangle and the sides including this angle, these angles are proportional, then as per SAS similarity, as per SAS similarity criterion, triangle, these two sides, see here, these two sides are proportional and one angle are equal. Then the triangle AMB and triangle DNE, or then triangle AMB and triangle DNE are similar. See here, I am not writing the statement of SAS similarity. I just written as per SAS similarity criterion, but in your exam you have to definitely mention the statement also. Clear? That gives you additional marks. So triangle AMB and triangle DNE are similar. So what can we write? Triangle AMB is similar to triangle DNE. If two triangles are similar, it means that their sides are proportional. So from here what can I write? That implies, what can I write here? AB by DE equals to BM by EN equals to AM by DN. So what will I do? I'll put this as equation 4. Now let's continue. We know that if the two triangles are similar, then the ratio of their areas equals to ratio of squares of their corresponding sides. This is as per theorem 8.6. Now let's write the same thing here. Area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF equals to how much? What can we write? As per theorem 8.6, it is AB by DE whole square equals to BC by EF whole square equals to CA by FD whole square. Write in brackets as per theorem 8.6. Put this as equation 5. Okay. So what is equation 4? Let's see. Equation 4 is AB by DE equals to BM by EN equals to AM by DN. But what is required to be proved? We have to prove that ratio of the areas equals to AM by DN. So here what will I do now? From the equation 4, I will take these two relations. Okay. So now what do I do? Here I will write AB by DE equals to sorry, here it's M. Okay, M is the median. So AM is the median and DN are the medians here. So from equation 4 it was like AB by DE equals to AM by DN. Write in brackets, since triangle AMB is similar to triangle DNE, and also from equation 4. Okay. So now what will I do? I am substituting this. Let us put this as equation 6. Put equation 6 in equation 5. Let's see what do we get. Area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF equals to, in the place of AB by DE I am substituting AM by DN. AM by DN whole square. Correct? This is what they asked us to prove, right? Hence proved. Hence proved. Let me re-explain you this again. See here, they have given that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. As per principle of similarity, I have written AB by DE equals to BC by EF equals to AC by DF. Okay, I have put this as equation 1. Since M is the midpoint, we can take BM equals to MC here. N is the midpoint, I can take EN equals to NF. So in the place of MC, can I write BM? Yes, you can write. So BC equals to 2BM, and in the place of NF I am writing EN. So EF equals to 2EN. I have taken these two as equation 2 and equation 3. After that I have substituted equation 2 and equation 3 in equation 1. So when you see here 2BM and 2EN. Okay, in the place of BC it is 2BM. In the place of EF it is 2EN. So 2 and 2 will be cancelled off. So AB by DE equals to BM by EN. Correct? So here triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. It means if two triangles are similar, then their corresponding angles are equal. So we can write angle B equals to angle E, since triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Okay. If one angle in a triangle is equal to one angle in another triangle and their sides are proportional, it means AB by DE equals to BM by EN. So here one angle is equal and their sides are proportional, then as per side angle side similarity criterion, triangle AMB and triangle DNE are similar. So if the two triangles are similar, then their sides are proportional, right? So AB by DE equals to BM by EN equals to AM by DN. I have put this as equation 4. After that, as per theorem 8.6, ratio of area of the triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF equals to, what is as per theorem 8.6? Equals to ratio of squares of their corresponding sides. So the corresponding sides are AB and DE, so it becomes AB by DE whole square equals to BC by EF whole square equals to CA by FD whole square. This is as per theorem 8.6. In brackets you have to mention the reason on which basis you have written the step. Clear? So from equation 4 we know that triangle AMB, this is M, sorry, it was my mistake. So this is AM and DN are the medians here. Same figures which we have taken in the starting, I have just rewritten here to make you understand clearly. Okay. So here triangle AMB and triangle DNE are similar from equation 4. So from similarity I have taken AB by DE equals to AM by DN. AM by DN. So here AB by DE equals to AM by DN. I am putting it as equation 6. So next step what will I do? Substitute equation 6 in equation 5. So what does it become? It becomes area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF equals to, the place of AB by DE I am substituting AM by DN. Therefore AM by DN whole square. This is what they asked us to prove. Hence it is proved. So this is the solution. So in case you have any doubts, just let me know. So I hope you like this video. In case you like the video, do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.